Forgot your Mac password? Here's how to reset it quickly and securely. If you're signed in, open System Settings and click your Apple ID at the top. Go to Password and Security, then choose Change Password and follow the prompts. If you can't sign in, tap Forgot Apple ID or Password on the sign-in screen. Use your Apple ID credentials to reset your login password, then restart and sign in. If Apple ID Reset isn't available, restart your Mac into recovery to reset locally. On Apple Silicon, press and hold the power button until startup options appear. On Intel Macs, restart and immediately hold Command R until the Apple logo appears. Choose Options, click Continue, then open Utilities and select Terminal and Recovery. In Terminal, type Reset Password, press Return, then follow the Reset Password Assistant. Choose your user account, enter a new password, and save the changes. Restart, sign in with your new password, and subscribe for more macOS tips.